Lisa, and I'd like to welcome you to Miss Lisa's Learning Hub. Today we're going to be talking about verbs, specifically action verbs. Alright, an action verb tells what the subject of a sentence does or is doing. So basically an action verb is just like it sounds. It's an action that you do. You can be eating, you can sleep, you can run, you can jump, you can hop, you can skip. Anything that you can do that shows action, movement, those are all action verbs. So let's look at a sample sentence. Sally ran 2 miles yesterday. All right, what is the action in that sentence? What in that sentence can you do? Ran. Who ran? Sally ran. So Sally is the subject of the sentence, which is a noun, a proper noun, and she ran 2 miles yesterday. So this is going to be our action verb because it's an action. It's something that you can do. Okay? All right, let's try some. Let's find the action verb in every sentence. The cat chased the mouse through the garden. All right, what can you do in this sentence? Look at all the different words. Is there anything that you can actually do? If you said chased, you'd be correct because chasing is basically following somebody around. So it's an action word. It's something that you can do. Who did the chasing? The cat did, which would be a noun and the subject of our sentence. All right, next one. They built a sandcastle on the beach. What is the action word? What can you do in this sentence? Take a look at it. Take a second. All right, if you said built, you would be correct because that's actually something that you can do. Who built? They built. The subject of our sentence. Next one. I eat lunch with my friends at noon. What can you do in that sentence? What is the action? The thing that someone is doing. What are they doing? Eat. Who's going to eat? I do. All right, next one. The baby cried loudly during the night. All right, pick out the word that you think is the action. What can you do in that sentence? If you said cried, you did the right thing. The baby cried. So who cried? The baby. All right, the dog barked at the neighbor's cat. What can you do in that sentence? What is the action word? If you said barked, you would be correct. Who is barking? The dog. All right, guys, so just remember an action verb is always a word that shows action, some type of movement. It could be in the past tense, it could be in the present tense, it could even be in the future tense, but it has to be something that you can actually do. All right. That's it for today's lesson. If you like what you saw, please consider liking and subscribing to my channel. Let me know what you think in the comments, and I'll see you in the